Welcome back to Archai, where we're about to transform chaos into clarity using Spacemaker's AI to maximize efficiency without expanding your team. Picture this: you're swamped with projects, deadlines looming, and the pressure to scale your team is mounting. But what if there's a smarter way? Today, we're diving into the Spacemaker interface, an intuitive layout crafted for enhancing architectural planning through AI. Let's start by importing an existing project. Watch as Spacemaker's AI analyzes site conditions and constraints in real time. Once imported, Spacemaker's AI works its magic, optimizing your design for energy efficiency, sunlight exposure, and wind flow. This isn't just software, it's your new design partner. It helps you deliver high-performance buildings without additional manpower. Next, let's explore Spacemaker's collaborative features. Seamlessly integrate your team and clients into the design process. Real-time collaboration means stakeholders are always on the same page, reducing misunderstandings and speeding up approvals. Now onto generating reports and presentations. Spacemaker simplifies complex data into visually compelling formats. These reports aren't just numbers, they're narratives that communicate your vision clearly and effectively. And there you have it. Utilizing Spacemaker's AI, you're equipped to tackle complex projects more efficiently than ever. Download link in description. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more high-impact architectural insights.